due this week, we have the Project 2 evaluation of an instructional product. If you remember, you're going to have to write a 2 to 5 page single-spaced level 1 and level 2 evaluation proposal/report for an instructional product that has at least 2 modules. The product can be printed, it can be an electronic product, it can be a training program that is a face-to-face experience, and it can be one of those projects you've done for this program, for example, the EDCI 569 project. If you remember from the discussion of the project in the overview video that I prepared, I told you that you had the option of really doing the evaluation report or pretending you did it. And the advantages of doing it is that you'll be able to go through the experience and really see how your users interact with the document, with the instruments you prepare, and whether there are holes in your data, whether there are questions that you thought were good and then they really aren't. So that is going to be a valuable experience. But we do understand that probably because of the time frame of the course, maybe you're not going to have time to find all the training attendees, or you're not going to be able to conduct a full-fledged evaluation. So we give you the option of working on a pretend evaluation project. So I wanted to share with you a note about doing the evaluation versus pretending that you did it. So if you do the evaluation, you're going to produce a report, and the report is going to have the pieces or the parts that we talked about before, which is going to be the instructional product overview, the audience and context description, the measurement instruments, a description of them along with the rationale. You're going to have your section detailing the evaluation process, then the evaluation report, and then the appendix, in which you will include an actual copy of your level 1 and level 2 instruments. If you do go the evaluation proposal route, you will have the same sections to your project. The only difference is that when you get to the evaluation report, because you have not conducted the research or the evaluation, you will have a findings template. So you can think of it as a template of how you would organize the information in your findings section in the report, so that when you actually do the evaluation, you just have to put in the numbers where the placeholders for data are. And the last piece is the same. You're going to have your appendix with the instruments. So really think about the evaluation proposal as if it was a report, including a findings template. In the template, you organize everything the way that you would in your actual report. You just put placeholders where the data goes. You may remember from last week's announcement, I created a video with tips on how to approach doing this assignment and completing it successfully. And you'll be able to find that video now in the assignments page right below the Project 2 evaluation information. The deadline is going to be September the 20th, Saturday, at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So happy designing and implementing level 2 learning evaluations.